Hi. So I wanted to make this an IG live, but I figured I could just tell you the first thing about studying abroad. So a lot of people don't even know the first step to take. If you're watching this video is for you. Don't be ashamed to not know. It can be very normal. Sometimes we don't know the very first thing, and once you know the very first thing, you're already on your way. So let's start. The very first thing about studying abroad is that you have to decide, is it first degree or master's or PhD? What are you going for? If you already know which degree, then which course? So that means the very first step is your own self-evaluation. What do I want to study? What I they go do? What they carry me go study abroad? What will I be comfortable learning? You don't sabi am. If you dey watch am for your pikin, you go ask your pikin, wetin you want study? If na masters, if na PhD, if na first degree, wetin you want study? Your pikin don sabi wetin you want study now. You don't pass that level. Now una go internet. When una go internet, una don't already decide wetin una want. Some people no know the school where they want go, but they know wetin they want study. Some people don't know wetin they want study. That one, they always dey confused to help them. But they just sabi the country. Like some people, the only country where they know na Canada, US, America, UK, London. Now only those places they know. No problem for that one. So at least you get one element. Now this thing that they call filter. So you don't already sabi the element where you want search, where you want find something. Then be your keywords. So now your picking one go study lawyer, or you want study lawyer. You don't carry lawyer proof of mind. So now it's your picking one study as bachelor or as master. You can go Google. You can type masters law. Then you don't sabi say na master, you don't sabi say na law. But if you don't get the country for mind, if you get the country, if na UK, you go type masters law UK, you go put them. When you put them for there, something will just come out. So if you don't sabi these three things, the country, the degree, the course, but another thing they dey your mind, say na maybe the money, you go call add masters law UK, low tuition, you go put them, then some things go also come out. Now if now all these ones come out, you don't get some results, but now that they ask you for IELTS and you don't want to write that exam, you go fit go write again no IELTS, or you could just write only IELTS. Google go take them as keyword, then you go come they bring you all those other suggestions. Do you get? So you feel still come they see say the courses still they too expensive, or they still they ask for. At that point you could come make compromise. Say which one I go just say make I do. Now say make I add money, make I change country, make I change course, or make I just go write this IELTS exam. So for all these stages, you still there for the evaluation of yourself, your pocket, wetin you want do, wetin you fit afford, which country you like go. You still did that level. Moving on, if you want to come up for that Google results level, you want to enter the school website. You don't start proper. You don't settle for this school website. You go come they navigate. Wetin be navigate? To the walk around, like when you enter person house, when you make it enough for parlor, you come enter room, come enter kitchen, come enter toilet, come enter backyard, come enter the dog house. All those places. Now everything that they call navigate. You go to search everywhere for waiting the course, the school fee offer you. So when you do that, you check the courses, the lecturers, you've seen everything, and then you're like, okay, I like this school. I need to search another school. So you can't search the schools. You don't enter the website now. This one is stage 2. Waiting can be stage 3. Stage 3 be say you could just check the requirement. How to apply, selection criteria, how to apply, selection criteria, tuition, financial aid. You go to check all these places. Then when you search all these things for the website, you go still dey search. As you dey search, they write down because it is quick to forget where you see waiting. As you're searching, write down because it can be so easy to forget where you saw what. Okay, so you check this one. UCLA, I saw this. Rice, I saw this. Kent, I saw this. I should say, I saw this. Sciences Po, I saw this. Write what you saw in these places. Okay, nice. So when you are done with that, you will then click on apply here, apply online, application portal. You don't do your research. The research now be the hardest part. Now make if person come meet me with special request, so that they find school will be this, will be that, I they charge. So you feel they pay me like maybe 250K, but 120, 150 go be for that search. You know, easy when you see say study abroad people don't get packages, different packages. Now work, now research. So when them tell you say make you come so you go pay this, you know just they pay, make they press apply now. You they pay for everything they don't find, they don't see, they don't organize for you. Plus the work where they go still do, because some people think say now just to put two and two together. No, maybe to put two and two together. You get many things where you everything that they call algorithm for social media, and for real life, they still get everything that they call algorithm. I go with the rhythm for real life. Application align with waiting them they find. Some people they're very stressed to do all these things by themselves. Some people go tell you, do it yourself. Not true. Everything for life way you feel do by yourself. You get person where they pay another person to do them. You get person where they collect money to do them. Some people they did their house, they do exercise. Some people go fitness center, go pay personal coach. Some people go born picking by themselves. Some people go pay another person to born. Some people go cook by themselves. Some people they buy food. Some people get cook for house. Some people they barber their hair themselves. Some people they will go barbing salon. All my hair, except for some wigs where I just they buy, I they make them myself. I they make my wig myself. I they wonder how people they go salon. But you get people where they go salon where they spend big money. Some people they spend money for nails. Some go do them by themselves. So don't make anybody discourage you, say why you they give consultant money. If you do you to pay somebody because you want expertise and you want to save time, then pay someone to do it. But I won't be saying if you pay who know road, who get sense. Like I always talk for this social media when people come my DM, because I go soon they post. But the thing where they do my business now, they say I know they like post people faces, reviews, testimonials, etc. Because take it or leave it, fake reviews full ground, and people they fall for fake reviews all the time. But if you like say when I like reviews, so I could just they carry the put. But the thing be say when it reach your turn, you can allow me to put your face and your name for my social media. Yeah, because now everything that's how we they help each other. You get. So if you they complain, say I never see the picture, I never see this. Anyway, it's your turn. You go give me your face, your full name, your contact. You go put them because me I go like and well. It goes sweet me. So make I do the summary of this video. Know what you want go do for the course for the abroad. Some of you now just to jackpot so when I don't get what you want study. I know those people. No worry. I get customers like that. Know what you want go do. Know the things where you find. Know how much you get. Schools where they for country where them know they speak English. Schools in countries where they do not speak English are usually more affordable. Still very great quality of education, but a lot cheaper. Are you willing to learn the language? Some of them will offer you a free language course for 6 months. Are you willing to learn the language? And they also have easier immigration integration after school. Are you ready to learn the language? Okay, so that's the end of this video. I'm so glad I was able to help. Thank you. Bye.